What is Bitcoin? Throughout history, money has taken many forms, representing value in different ways. Tangible currency, backed by the government's promise, replaced bartering systems. Then, fiat money became the norm, with centralized entities, like banks, controlling the monetary system. However, centralized money led to corruption, mismanagement, and control issues. In 2008, a white paper suggested a way to create a decentralized currency called Bitcoin. Unlike fiat money, Bitcoin transactions are validated by a decentralized network of users around the world rather than a central entity like a bank. The blockchain is the digital ledger that records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. It is a public ledger that is maintained by the network of users and can be viewed by anyone. Bitcoin uses complex cryptographic algorithms to secure and verify transactions. These algorithms ensure that only the owner of a particular Bitcoin address can spend the Bitcoins associated with it. Bitcoin needs the cooperation of miners and nodes. Bitcoin mining involves solving complex mathematical equations to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins for their efforts. Bitcoin nodes are computers that maintain a copy of the entire blockchain ledger. Nodes receive, validate, and relay transactions across the network. Nodes also communicate with other nodes to ensure that all copies of the blockchain are up to date and consistent. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. This limit is built into the system and ensures that Bitcoin is a deflationary currency. While Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the public blockchain, users can remain pseudonymous if they choose. Transactions are linked to the Bitcoin addresses rather than personal information like names and addresses. Bitcoin is stored in digital wallets, which are software applications that allow users to send and receive Bitcoin. Wallets can be stored on a computer or smartphone, or even on a physical device like a USB drive. The software that powers Bitcoin is open source, meaning anyone can view the code and contribute to its development. This transparency helps to ensure the security and stability of the system. Bitcoin has challenged the traditional banking system and is changing the future of money. It has several use cases, including remittances, investment, and micropayments. It is also a vastly superior store of value when compared to the most popular safe haven asset, gold. Bitcoin's ease of verification, immutable history, divisibility, and digital nature make it superior in every way to gold. Money has come a long way. Thanks to Bitcoin, it continues to evolve. To learn more about Bitcoin, please contact DAIM.io for more.